Hey, what is up everybody? This is Sing from reviewsofsoftware.com. Welcome to my commission flash review. And you can see now I'm inside of the software, everything I got over here. So in this video here, I will give you a full demo and a full run through exactly how that works, what is the price, and how to use commission flat to get ton of leads. Okay. Right, so what is the commission flash, right? So in a nutshell, this is a cloud-based software that allow you create amazing squid page. Okay, so you know that a lot of people using squid page from the ClickFunnels, but the problem from the ClickFunnels is you need to pay monthly fees. Okay, you need to pay monthly fees, and then you need to create yourself. But here they dump for you everything, and you only need to pay one time, and the price really small. Okay, I will show you just a little bit later, but you will see here this is the squid page. This is really easy to understand, a very high convert. Okay, and the color, I really like the color, is everything is just perfect. Okay, and this is another one. You see here, this is amazing. You see here, this if you create from the ClickFunnels, and you still can create something like this, but you need to pay monthly fees, right? And you need to set up everything. But here is they have template, they have campaign for you, dump campaign for you, everything. What you need to do, just edit, allow some photo and allow some text, and you are good to go. Okay, you see the color here, super nice, and yeah, and the font of the text is really cool. I love everything about that, right? Right, so that's a little bit about the commission flash. So before we go to the folder about the commission flash, I also put ton of custom bonuses that I would like to get you. So how the bonus will help you out and grow your business faster. Okay, so what you need to do now, click to very first link in the description of this video, then it will take you to my bonus page, look like this. Then you can click to any red button in here and any red button here, and you are good to go to the sale page or here. Okay, so this is the sale page of the commission flat. Then you can click to any button in the commission flat on here, and you are good to go. Okay, so this product gonna be launched in the 18 November, so it's which is today. So the product gonna be launched today, 18 November. So this video I make from in 18 November. Okay, so they have 30-day money back guarantee. So if you don't like the product after 30 days, you can ask for money back, and you keep hold my bonuses. Okay, this is hold my my bonus will stay here and will include for you. Okay, so right now, before we go to further about my bonus, I would like to show you a little bit about the sale page. Again, you see the sale page here. This is cloud-based app, create simple and profitable custom funnel and feed them with free instant traffic for sale, and 100% cloud-based software. Okay, and plus this is a tech create unlimited campaign, and no pay for traffic, no experience need, no monthly fees. I love no monthly fees. Okay, and 100% cloud-based software, no instant request, zero to technical skill need, work anywhere across the world, create unlimited campaign, 100% down for you giveaway, free traffic and training include, complete system with no monthly fees, proven dollar balance test. Right, so that's it, everything about the commission flat. I think you come here, you understand everything, right? You understand everything that's taught to you. That's something very cool about the training. And this is, you see here, this is only 3 steps to do. First, activity. 2 is the love. 3 is profit. This simple like that. Okay, all right, so that's this is the result. Okay, this is the real result, and I'm not gonna read everything about here. I'm not gonna read everything about the sale page right here. Okay, but what I'm gonna show you is about the software right here. Okay, I will show you about software right here. But before we go to the further about the software, I would like to show you my bonuses. Okay, I have put ton of custom bonuses that I would like to get you, and how the bonus here will help you out and grow your business faster. Okay, if you still not click to very first link, you can click to very first link in the description of this video. Then it will take you to my bonus page like this, and then you go down here. You will see this is my special bonus. Okay, you see the commission flat and plus hold on my bonus below. This is my special bonus. I spent a lot of time put everything together to help you succeed. Okay, so let's see bonus number 1 here. This is video marketing profit kits. So in this bonus, I'm gonna show you how to use video marketing to build your online business. Okay, you know that video marketing is very high convert right now, and video marketing is the future of marketing, and a lot of people use that. Every business need video marketing. Okay, so in this bonus, I'm gonna show you how to use video marketing to build your online business. And bonus number 2 here, this is a new way to rank number 1 less than 24 hours. So this is another cool bonus that I show you do SEO and rank your any keyword in number 1 on YouTube and in Google less than 24 hours. Okay, and then bonus number 3 here, this is a case study. Okay, this is the case study that will show you how to do affiliate marketing with ClickFunnels. And you see this case study, $10,800 for this. And this ClickFunnels is best way to do affiliate marketing. Okay. And then bonus number 4 here, this is a plugin called YouTube List. This bonus, I'm gonna show you how to use this plugin to engage your YouTube video and increase your Gmail list. Okay. Bonus number 5 here, this is SEO keywords mastery. In this bonus, I'm gonna show you how to find the honest and the more profitable keyword the right way. Okay, and you know that if your website do good SEO, you can save ton of money and you make more money. Okay, because if you do good SEO, a lot of people will, you get a lot of traffic, and then you don't need to do Facebook ad or Google ad, something like that, right? You get ton of money. Right, so this is hold on my bonus. To click hold on my bonus here, you need to come here before my countdown time here hit 0. If my countdown time here hit 0, you not get special offer. Okay, so to click hold on my bonus here, after you post the product, you need to click to very first link in the description of this video. Then you can click to any red button here. You go to the sale page and click to any button in the sale page, and you post the product. After you post the product, you go to where you post. Then you go to your history product you already purchased. Then you go down here, this little button here called Asset Affiliate Bonus. You click on here, you asset to hold my high quality bonus that I promised to you in this video. Okay. Right, so that's everything about my bonus. So right now, let's see the software and how to use. Right, so you see when you log into software, everything is simple. Okay, everything is simple. You click. When you right here, you see the training from here. Definitely, I will recommend for you. To follow all the training from here. Okay, before you go that, and then you go to the dashboard right here, and this is really easy to do. Okay, you see this is the template. This hold the template that you gonna need and you can use for yourself. Okay, it's very easy. I think this is one of the high convert squid page that I haven't seen. You see here, this is something is really cool, very high convert right here. And right now I'm gonna use this for example. Okay, I'm gonna use this for example, and this is very simple. So you see here, this is you create squid page and campaign. This is you get the name. I will get name C. I should do example. You can get the name of the product. Okay, and this name not gonna be shown on the squid page. Okay, this one, the the headline here, the header here. This is the place that you do show in the sweep page. Okay, you need to enter any keyword from here. For example, learn how to make $100 per day, for example, right? And this is something like this. You also can choose the color for this header. Okay, what color for that? You can choose from here. You see, click on here, and there you click on here. It's show on like this, and you can put any color you want. But right now, I just choose black, for example. And then this is the giveaway. Okay, this is the giveaway that. So example. When you give away something and then your customer click on here, this go directly to the link. This is the link or the you give away. Okay, this is the link, right? So then this is the affiliate link. So this is the affiliate link. After the person that click on there, this go directly to this link as well. You see this affiliate link, you can just simply copy your affiliate link and put on here. Okay, and this is Eastern font code. So this is the font code. Okay, and this font code here is, and this is the and this is you can use for any affiliate and any Gmail marketing. Okay, this is your connect with your email marketing platform. Very easily you can copy the code, the JavaScript code from the your Gmail marketing software, then put on here. Then you have amazing form from here. Okay, I'm gonna not show you do that, but I think this is very easy to do, right? If you have using GetResponse or any other Gmail marketing out there, you know the code that they call JavaScript. You copy that and you put on here, and you are good to go. All right, so this is the you can see this is the photo, the image of the product you give away. Okay, and you can click on here. You see this, click here to unlock image. You click on here, you also can unlock your image from your computer to here. Okay, for example, but right now I'm not gonna do that. And right, and this is the background. Okay, you can click on here and you also can change the background, but right now I will leave that default. Okay, this is very easy to do. You see here, very simple, very easy to understand. Okay, and then after you're done, you just create page. This gonna need the link. Okay, right now I just do example. I just copy this link, for example, and I put on here. Okay, this is gonna need a link, and this is the code on that, but I'm not gonna do that right now. And create a page. Right, so this is the page. You see here you can copy this link and you can share from anywhere. You can share for your customer, you can share Facebook or any platform. Then you can get leads from here. Okay, and this is you can view the page. Okay, this is view thank you page. This is the thank you page for that, and they already done for you the thank you page. Okay, and you can edit from here, or you can promote. This promotes is you can share. Okay, you can share from anywhere, Facebook, Twitter, and Reddit. You can share from here, or you can delete. So right now I'm gonna view. Okay, you see here, learn how to make $100 per day. Enter any name, email below, and get started now. You see here, this is I mix the font here. Okay, I mix the font here just because I didn't ask any font there, and I think this is the font. Okay, you copy the JavaScript, you put on here, and then you have the font or here. But right now I'm not do that. Okay. And this is very easy to do, and the color very nice, super cool. Okay, you see, and I already create another. I will show you just some quick. You go to the campaign here, you will see everything you create. Okay, and for example, I already create here. we're gonna view that. And this you see here, this is another one already created before, and this is very easy to understand. You see here, this is the photo here, and this is the phone. This is the phone name. You can enter name Gmail here, and then people click to get instant access. Then people can download there, and then you have Gmail list. Okay, and this is the list. You click down here. Okay, you click down here. This is all the list you're gonna have. You see everything from here, and then this is very easy to export to your you can click to export here. You export to your computer. This is something very easy, but this value here very cool. You save ton of money. You don't need to pay monthly fees for the ClickFunnels, and you will save ton of money. Okay, and then you see here, this is bonus, and this is some bonus of the vendor they promise to you in the sale page. You click on here, you are set to hold the bonus as well. This is giveaway. This is something they give away from here. Okay, right, so that's everything about the commission flex. So right now let's see what is the price. Right, what is the price? Really important. Okay, so the price front end, the price only $15. Okay, $15 here. You're gonna get 100% cloud-based software, no instant request, zero technical skill, complete system, no money fees, create unlimited campaign, basic instant 230 traffic source. Okay, so $15, you will save ton of money. This is one-time payment, and you save ton of money. Okay, you not pay money fees like ClickFunnels. And then they have few upsell. They have two upsell. Okay, upsell number one is $27. Upsell number two is $47. You see, upsell number one here, $27. This is you ask the cloud-based software, nothing to install, and integrate traffic, Autopilot, free traffic, and demo, day in day out, automatical post, picture, story, and video, Instagram, sharing, make easy, no money fees, no content create, and profit with other people content. And option number two here, commission flex license right, $47. This is profit with even using the software, 100% commission funnel. Right, so this for $47 you will own this platform. Okay, you will own this platform. This will be yours. Right. Right, so I think that's everything about the commission flex. And make sure you come here before my countdown time here hit 0, and you get hold of my bonus, and you get special offer. Okay, alright, so that's it, my video about the commission flex review. I hope this will be helpful. If you have any question or you need any help, let your comment below, because I love to answer your question. And if you're first time to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Every time when I launch a new video, you get notification. So right now, I will see you in another video. Bye bye.